Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Today, we are going to talk about an interesting topic, excretion in plants. Now, can anyone tell me what excretion means?
Is it like when animals get rid of waste through processes like urination and sweating?
Exactly. Excretion is the process of eliminating waste products produced during the life processes of an organism. Plants also have their ways of excreting waste, and that's what we will explore today. So, what kind of waste do you think plants produce?
Do they produce waste like animals do?
Great question. While plants don't produce waste in the same way animals do, they still generate byproducts during their metabolic activities. One of the primary waste products in plants is oxygen, which is released during photosynthesis. Can you remind the class what photosynthesis is?
Photosynthesis is when plants use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to make food, right?
Excellent. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which is essential for us and other organisms that respire. This release of oxygen is a form of excretion. But that's not the only waste product plants generate. Any other ideas?
Do plants excrete water vapor too?
Spot on. Plants also release water vapor through small pores called stomata, which are primarily found on their leaves. This process is called transpiration, and it helps regulate the plant's temperature and maintain moisture levels. Transpiration is another form of excretion in plants.
So, plants excrete oxygen and water vapor. But what about the waste from the food they make?
Great observation. When plants produce food through photosynthesis, they also generate byproducts like organic acids and other metabolic waste. These waste products are transported to older leaves or other parts of the plant that are not actively involved in photosynthesis. Eventually, these leaves might fall off, and in a way, that's how plants shed some of their waste.
I've noticed some plants have tiny droplets on their leaves. Is that related to excretion?
You're observant. Those droplets are called guttation drops, and they do have a connection to excretion. Guttation occurs when the root pressure forces excess water and dissolved minerals out through special structures called hydrothores. These droplets might contain some waste products as well.
I never knew plants had so many ways of excreting waste.
It's fascinating, isn't it? Plants might not excrete waste in the same way animals do, but they have their unique processes to maintain a balance in their internal environment. Just like how excretion is vital for animals to stay healthy, it's crucial for plants too.
So, when we see plants releasing oxygen and water vapor, they're actually excreting waste. That's pretty cool.
Absolutely. Now you understand that excretion isn't limited to just animals, it's a vital process in the plant kingdom as well. Understanding how plants function and interact with their environment helps us appreciate the complexity and interconnectedness of life on Earth. Keep up the curiosity, and you'll discover even more exciting things in the world of science.